For this problem, let's first define our variables. Let's say x is the first number and y be the second number. Note that both x and y are positive numbers, so they must be greater than or equal to 0. We're given that the sum of 6 times the first number and twice the second number is equal to 150. So in mathematical format, that's just 6x plus 2y equal to 150. And because we want to maximize the product between the first and the second number, then our objective function will have to be, let's call it p, that's equal to x times y. Since the objective function is written in terms of two variables, then you have to rewrite it so that it will only be written in terms of one variable.